Since its inception in 2016, the Ernest Malgas Treatment Centre in New Brighton has treated more than 800 children, focusing on children between the ages of 13 and 17 years old. The treatment program runs for 12 weeks. The centre welcomed its first intake of 26 girls for the year. The youngest is 12 years old. The plan is not to mix girls and boys during treatment. Poor background, peer pressure and family challenges have been identified as some of the contributing factors leading these teenagers to solely depend on drugs.
At home, parents need to be workshopped so that umntana getting out of the center, the environment is not the same as she was going out. At least the parents could understand now, but the child is from this and the environment must change. Some, they are still young, they are going back to school because they are still young. Some, they get jobs.
The program focuses on 3 areas: treatment, reintegration and aftercare. After 6 weeks, an assessment is done on the child's progress to the program to identify developmental areas that need to be developed.
While the child is here, we are busy with reintegrating the child with the family by holding family good conferences. And then thereafter, when the child graduates here, the child don't get discharged here. It's not prison. This is treatment. The child graduates from the program into the care of a social worker, the referring social worker. So the social worker is responsible for the support and aftercare of the child.
The application waiting list keeps rising as the wave of drugs and substance abuse continue to take over the province. To be admitted in the centre, applicants need to be between the ages of 13 and 17 years old and depend on drugs. The department says similar centres are needed throughout the province to fight the scourge of drug abuse.
We really need to have each and every district to have this centre. Unfortunately, at the moment, we've got this one only. We need funders from private sector because we've got land in Ngqina, Melton Centre, that's supposed to be like this, but we really need the funders. We don't have budget.
The next intake group for the centre will be boys in April. Mcebisi, Ngqina, SABC News in Gqeberha.